Hello, I'm Mrs. Renner.
And I'm David.
We've missed you guys. We've been so busy doing other things and preparing for learning that's going to be starting soon that we haven't had time to make videos. But we're going to do our last 2 videos on oceans, and then dinosaurs will start when we have time to do our next 2 videos.
Yep.
So we decided today to do a fun science experiment, and it's going to be on ocean currents and how ocean currents move. So we have... David got out a big cake pan, 9x13. He filled it up with, do you want to tell them?
Cold water and then
4 cups of cold water.
4 cups of cold water and then 1 to 2 cups of ice. And you have to let that sit.
Yep, it should be about a third of the way full. So if you look at the full pan, it should be up about a third. So that would be 1, if you divided the pan in 3, 1 of those 3. And now, what did you do here? Oh, and did you tell them about the dye?
Oh, and you're going to need to have you're supposed to have 3 drops of blue dye, and
you just don't want it to be too blue.
Don't make it too dark.
Yeah, you want it to be blue, but not too blue, because we want to see it change when we put in the hot water. So then you boiled. Do you remember how many cups of hot water?
I think I put 3.
I thought it was 2, but okay, 2 to 3 cups of hot water. It will boil down. So 2 cups, 3 cups will be fine because it will boil down. And then you need red dye. And unfortunately, we're out of dye in our house, but we have dye markers, and that's what we used for the blue water too. We just kind of put it in there. And it says the red. What do we know about the red, David? How do we want the red to be?
Dark.
We want the red to be dark. So I'm dabbing this in here, trying to make it dark right now. Why do you think you want the red to be dark, David?
I don't know. Maybe to make it look like...
What do you think is going to happen?
It's going to change colors.
What color is it going to become?
Purple.
Yeah. So we're going to be able to see the current moving. And when David dumps the boiling water, is it still boiling? Is it supposed to be boiling still?
It was. It's still hot.
No, but what did the directions say? Boiling water?
It said it just had a boil.
Okay, so we're going to turn this back on, make sure it's boiling before we dump it, because we want to make sure it works. We're going to try and get it boiling real quick. So you want the water to be boiling before you put it in.
I think you're supposed to do that. It's too hot for me.
Aubrey's helping us here. Okay, I'll dump the hot water in.
Yes, you did that.
Okay. We're not getting it real red, but if you have regular dye, you're definitely going to have an easier time getting it red. I wonder if I have red dye in here.
I didn't see any.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Hopefully you guys have red dye, because it's not looking like we have any other red dye. I wonder if we could just use another red marker, David.
Do you want me to do the one?
Yeah. The white thing's over. I was coloring a picture. So it's over there. All right, you can tell, guys, this is definitely virtual reality show right now because we have nothing prepared and nothing's working correctly, but it's all good. Yeah. The red isn't really red, so hopefully it still works. If not, it will work for you at home, and then you can record and send it to us. All right, we're going to try one more red marker, see if this works. And that's not changing the color at all. David, remember we had that marker maker?
Yeah.
Would that work?
I don't think we have any markers.
No, I mean remember how you have the dye that we put into it, the marker maker?
Yeah.
All right, let's just try it and see what happens.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna pour the hot water, it's boiling now, into the corner. It doesn't matter which corner, I'm just gonna pick this one over here. Watch so it doesn't splatter on you. I'm gonna slowly pour it into the corner and we're gonna watch it move.
It's not working. It's pink.
But look, so it's all over here right now. I'm gonna move it over so you can see better. You can kind of see it turn purple. It didn't bubble over. Oh, wait. It didn't bubble over like it was supposed to. But it is purple now. Put it down like this.
Yeah.
Oh, pretty. I love it. So that's ocean currents and how they work and how they form with the hot water and the cold water meet, then we know that's what makes an ocean current out in the ocean. A current out in the ocean.
I guess.
You guess?
I guess.
That's what we just learned.
I guess.
That's what we learned, friends. All right. We hope you guys are enjoying your time. We'll be doing, are we going to do one book then next?
Maybe.
We're so planned today, guys. We'll be doing a book. All right. Bye. Oh, don't forget.
Like, subscribe, and click that bell.
Yes. Bye.